Bro. Granny rising. People, the blue ear effort get too bright. Out of order. I thought about me not own no house. She brighty. Me could have been in America so long. I not own no house. Tell me the truth now. Me could have been in America so long and not own no house. I'm going to show you my house. I have my 5-bedroom apartment and I'm going to show you right now. See it here? 5-bedroom apartment. Dirty Spice, you can chat to me. But I don't live nowhere. A 5-bedroom apartment here. 1 room here. Ratchet and money pan seed. Yeah. Can spin around the. Yeah, car. I don't know how the blue ear effer I come talk, but I don't live nowhere. See, there 1 bedroom here, so, and 3 bedroom around there, so. And see my gourmet kitchen here. See all my plate here. And me have me see my fork and me something them here. Bright and feisty. But I don't live nowhere. See me have all my honey when me use make me tea and me something them. Out of order. 1 more bedroom around there, so. With my closet to the side. See my closet here. Make sure it's showing it here. Nobody get bright with me. But I don't own no house. If I say bright, no blood clot. But I don't own no house. Out of order. Feisty. Turn on my AC in my apartment. Right, I don't live nowhere, I don't own no house in America. Breathing. And who you talk to? So I go in my closet. I'm going to take out a brand new white, milky white t-shirt out of my closet. I want to 5-bedroom. And you see me, I have my kitchen. I'm something. I want to use a bright thing. Fix up my closet. Yeah. Talk to me nice. I want to spice. What I want you to do now? Because see me show my house here. My 5-bedroom compartment. I wanted to keep a show in Jamaica. Spice, the return of Spice in the National Stadium. And get the crowd with Cartel and Buju get. Talk to me now. Do that and beat me.